Alright, deal hunters, let's talk about that $750 Costco gift card offer flooding your inbox from bulkhauls.com. I know, it sounds like a dream. Free Costco shopping spree, right? But before you click, let's break this down quick and dirty. First, here's the biggie. Bulkhauls.com is not affiliated with Costco. Costco themselves have actually warned that these kinds of deals, especially from emails or third-party sites, are often total scams. So what's the catch? Well, this isn't a simple freebie. Bulk Hauls runs what's called a paid-to-play marketing rewards program. Basically, you have to complete 5 or more deals, which means signing up for a bunch of paid trials, subscriptions, sometimes even credit cards. And trust me, those trials? They add up fast, and most folks end up spending way more than $750 just trying to qualify. But it gets worse. To even start, you have to hand over your name, email, and phone number. And guess what? That info usually gets sold to telemarketers and advertisers. So get ready for a flood of spam calls and emails. And here's the clincher. Almost nobody actually gets the gift card in the end. The requirements are buried in the fine print, super tricky, and most people end up giving up or missing a step. So, my quick verdict? Hard pass. Don't share your info, don't waste your time, and definitely don't spend your hard-earned cash chasing this so-called deal. If you want legit Costco savings, stick to their official site or in-store offers.